Let's see how tutors can give coupons to their one-to-one classes. So once after they schedule the one-to-one classes, they can give coupon codes. The students can avail the coupon codes and they can have their discounts. So this is already scheduled class, and now the tutor can actually give the coupon details like name, coupon code, etc. So let's say the name of the coupon is, and the coupon code is 29, and the discount type can be chosen if it's an absolute amount or a percentage amount, so that is money wise or percentage wise. So percentage and money. So let's say I'm giving as a tutor 50% discount for this particular class, and the tutor can give the number of limit number of use, how many users can use the coupon code, and the start date and the expiry date, and click on save. So the coupon has been created by the tutor. Now suppose this is the student Jose. She is looking for the tutor Sandra, and she's going to book for her one-to-one class using this 50% discount. Let's see how the actual cost is getting deducted. So once if you click on one-to-one class as a student, you can see the list of subjects and by the tutor, and we can choose the subject. So let's say if it's operation system, it's $20. If it's hardware and network security, it's $10. So each subject will have different pricing. So suppose it's network and security, it's $10. When I apply the coupon code 29065, as a student I'm applying the coupon code, so for 50% discount. So once I apply the coupon code, you can see that the amount will be reduced. Now the $10 has changed to $5. So this is how the deduction will be made. Suppose it's going to be 100% discount. Let's say the tutor is giving 100% discount. So in the tutor's profile, I made the discount value as 100%, and I'm applying the changes. So the coupon has been updated. Now suppose if the student is trying to book for the class, she can click on one-to-one classes. So actually the subjects can be chosen. Say it's operation systems again. It's a $20 slot, and network and security, it's a $10 slot. So now the coupon code is applied. So now it's 100% discount. So it will be $0. So once the student applies this coupon, you can see that it's a $0 slot. So and now the student can actually choose the appointment, and it's going to be a free class because 100% discount has been applied. So this is how the students can avail the discounts. So if the student clicks on book now and confirms, it will be booked successfully without giving the card details, because it's a 100% discount, so no charges. So this is how the coupon code works. Thank you.